to USD JPY analysis on for today. And what are we going to do today? That is very simple. Yesterday I had some complaints regarding the voice in my videos. I will guys try to keep on improving it because that is what I have to do and I will do it, guys. So thank you guys for supporting me. Anyways, guys, for today, let's keep it simple. Yesterday, guys, we were selling this when we hit almost both of our targets. For today, I would keep it mention it this way. Today, I'm a bit confused kind of right now because you can clearly see we had a bearish structure, bearish move here. Here, we've started losing that bearish momentum a little bit, but still bearish on the 4H, of course. But I hope you're getting my gist. So for today, what I'm going to do as it's Friday, guys, as long as we stay above 146.8, I keep on buying this. We're having small targets for today, guys. N- Not expecting much, and on Fridays, I like to get out as fast as I can because I don't want to get caught in some kind of repositioning, especially uh, when it's kind of like the last day of the month and last Friday of the month as well. So it can get very choppy. So I like to stay away from such moves. So, anyways, guys, this is all for today. So hope you guys make money trading this and see you guys more.